smiling to the vlog.
Nov's been working really hard on my car, but today we're doing a video on the new Supra. So we'll do a little bit about my car next time, but today it's all about the new Supra. What's going on, Nate? We're in Mum's Corolla and he's setting up the camera gear. This looks like a little assassin's thing, like where you've got all your weapons.
Yeah, something like that.
The third ball is out. He's concentrating hard. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. They're just setting up the microphones and we're about to get started with a little bit of a review video. So that should be pretty interesting. Nov, you ready to listen about a review on the new Supra?
Sure.
Yes. He's keen. He's also hungry.
Alright, so we enter. We've got this Supra cockpit. It's really nice, man. It's just super nice. The seats look amazing. And you got the
very comfortable ride.
comfortable seats, isn't
Very
it?
comfortable ride, yeah.
Old versus new. What you getting ready for, Nate?
What is this next scene?
What are we doing?
Do some gimbal shots around the car and then we're gonna go for a drive.
Sounds good. Some cinematic stuff, eh? I'm excited about this one. What are you doing?
Look at my lights so I can see where this is pointing. Because I can't see the screen.
You idiot.
There we go.
Is it working now?
Yeah, I just gotta flip it.
Oh, sick.
Nice.
That's so cool. So we're just in the Corolla now. We're going for a little drive through the city. We're just waiting on Evan to come up because we kind of missed the wrong turn. But yeah, we're going to do our little cinematic video through the city, so this should be interesting. Hopefully there's not too much traffic and we can get some good shots. But so far the freeway shots are turning out really good.
I've sent you a message with a GPS location where we are. Yeah, just go straight if you go, man.
Yep.
Alright, we'll come behind you, man. We'll jump in front of you somewhere here.
How's the back seat, mate?
Yep.
Nate's hanging out the side of the boot.
The foot part, I mean, the video part is really...
Can do enough. You got this. How was that, Nate? The crab walk. Nov's placing bets in the Melbourne Cup because this is what we do on Melbourne Cup Day. We don't do horse races. Anything we talk about is horsepower.
That's it.